Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now. Cleanse with lukewarm water and pat dry so products sit on skin, not dirt. Once done, squeeze a 1/2 pea-size amount of plain white toothpaste, no gels, no mint overload, and dab it on one small blemish or a tiny test area. You do this because toothpaste ingredients like silica and baking agents can dry oil fast. However, they also irritate, so this is a targeted, short-duration step only. Make sure to note any stinging immediately. Next, apply a thin layer of toothpaste directly on the spot. Avoid the eye area and do not spread across healthy skin. Wait no more than 5–10 minutes. You're aiming to dry the center of the blemish, not to burn tissue. Once you rinse thoroughly with cool water and pat dry, use Vaseline as a protective occlusive. A fingertip smear over the treated area seals moisture, reduces flaking, and supports healing. You combine them sequentially, not mixed together, to limit irritation. To finish, rinse all toothpaste off after 5–10 minutes. Then dry and gently apply a thin Vaseline film to protect the skin barrier. If you notice burning, intense redness, blistering, or swelling, stop immediately, rinse with cool water and avoid further products, and consider medical advice if severe. Remember, toothpaste is a quick, occasional fix, not a routine acne treatment. For repeated or widespread issues, see a dermatologist for safer, evidence-based options that address root causes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.